guys! So, welcome to Kizuna for today's video. Nasa Jollibee, Kizuna tayo. They are making a partnership today. And, woo! It's fun! So, tara, let's check out what is in store with this momentous partnership between Jollibee and Kizuna. By the way, this is Kizuna in SM North EDSA. This is the 3rd floor. So, if you want to check it out, let's go! Ito. Di ba?
Oy!
Dito.
Bakit ngayon?
Hello.
Ay, kasama pala si Bossing. No?
Kiss na shirt niyo.
Kasama si Bossing.
Ay, ako tumatayo.
Kain muna kami.
Ay,
Ayan. Super me.
7. And
Ito rin,
where's
super
the
meal.
only water?
Oy, mamaya na yan, kain muna. Ulit. Kuya, vlogger ka?
Hey, vlogger.
Vlogger po na, kuya. Vlogger ka, ha? Anong ulam mo, kuya? Ito po ang vlogger meal.
Handa na ba kayo?
Vlogger meal.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Yun, no? Grabe, 3 ulam pala to.
Wow!
Ayan. Kaya, Jollibee na.
Jollibee na. Hoy!
So, magkano pong puhunan nyo sa Japan Cafe na to?
3,704 million daw, sabi niya.
Nagsiba na yung trabaho.
Tayo na lang customer din niya. Ayan. Ayan po kami.
Erashaimase!
Daming business.
Nasaan na yun? Ayun. Oy, yung business mo, napabayaan mo.
Ginawan ako ng kape, 1,000 daw isa.
Mahal naman ang pauwi mo.
With Jollibee now as the exclusive fast food partner of Kizuna. A round of applause for this new partnership. So this is really good news for all of us because starting April 4, you can have the all. I see we've got a lot of kids as well. You've got your kids with you. Thank you.
To gathering here on this special occasion. Miss Dorothy, the Chief Vice President and the Head Marketing, Mr. Joseph Oga,
Here on this most special Friday of March, this morning, maraming salamat po for being with us. You know, every partnership, every collaboration is enough reason to celebrate. Because whenever we partner, whenever we collaborate, it means that we believe that the sum is always greater than its parts. And that's exactly what we have today. But I dare say that not all partnerships, not all collaborations are created equal. Some are more special, some are more joyful than the rest. And that's exactly what we have today. Masaharu-san shared earlier that his favorite is C3. No? He even memorized the menu. And on my side, I have 3 young kids who are regulars of Kizuna in Festival Mall, Alabang. We also see a lot of similarities. Earlier, we saw our very own Jollibee, everybody's best friend.
Jollibee, kids have always been at the heart of everything we do. From serving their favorite chicken joy, Jolly Spaghetti, and Yum Burger, to making every visit to Jollibee a fun and joyful experience. We believe in creating memories that kids will cherish forever. But more than just great tasting food. We know that a childhood joy is influenced by meaningful experiences. Learning, playing, and celebrating with family, even beyond Jollibee's.
Okay, so maghahanap tayo ng golden ball. Yung anak ko naghahanap na, pero tulong tayo maghanap. Golden ball. Walang clue. What? Kaya po, mukhang may nakita. Wala. Wala. Ito. Oo nga, baka may area yan.
Nakalima na ba?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Ako na?
Parang, nagbabalikan na sila eh.
Wala na ba?
Wala na yata.
Paul!
Chasing your dreams with your hands in the sky. Just be brave, you can do anything. La 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 la, be happy and fun. Let's jump. And if you ever feel so frightened, my friend, I'm always here to cheer you up. So my friends, let's go la la, sing, sing, sing. Come on and sing with me. Dance, 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 and make this sound. Let's go la la, sing, sing, sing. Love is a treasure.
Could we please request our Jollibee? And next up for our photo, I'm gonna say Kitsuna.
Okay guys, so ayun nga, April 4, starting April 4, if you do a package sa Kidzuna, yung food nyo will automatically be Jollibee, so which is a good thing. Sayang lang, hindi ko inabutan nung kid, yung baby pa yung anak ko, pero so yan. So kung may mga kids kayo and you're gonna throw a party sa Kidzuna for the package nila dito, expect it to be Jollibee, which is really good. And ayun, so visit the Jollibee website and the Kidzuna website to learn more about this exciting partnership. And I'll see you in the next vlog.